This is the latest model of the Aiyima T8 Preamplifier, which offers a lot of features for the preamp in this price range. Well, for the start, it is a nice designed and all-metal construct preamplifier with a little wood touch on the top. It has built-in the tube lamp for coloring and amplify your music signal, built-in OLED display to show your adjustment and settings, built-in IR receiver to control your device with the remote control. It has nice push and rotating button for controlling audio settings from here and power and on switch, while you can control all the preamp settings with the one physical button. It is a headphone preamp and it is a preamp for your external amplifier. So if we look behind, we have quite a lot of possibility for connections to other devices on this preamp. We have the Bluetooth receiver antenna. We have the line output, we have the line input connection, we have the optical connection, we have the coax connection, and we have the USB to PC connection. So you can connect it to your PC via USB and it will act like a DAC, and you even receive the USB key with the drivers on. I mean, who else gives you the USB key in these days with the drivers on? It will all give you the link to go on their website and download the drivers. I mean, I will look that as a privilege because you even have the free USB key then. And yeah, what I forgot to tell you, it has the Bluetooth 5.0 and you will need the 12 volt of DC power supplied, which is nice and it is included in the package. So you won't need to buy additional power supply. So yeah, how you open the device? Shh, be quiet please. Ta-da! Well, you just hear the click of relay, and how you close the device. Just hold on. Yeah, simple as that. And yeah, how you control the volume? Just here and adjust. Rotate the button and adjust the volume, leave it and it will disappear. And yeah, if you push it in, you go through the different modes: RCA, coax, optical connection, USB connection and Bluetooth. Simple as that. And if you want to control for all the other settings, well, bass adjustment and treble adjustment, you can use it here on your remote. And yeah, volume and mode select and the mute button and the display button when you're only closing the display, not the whole preamp. Just like that. Perfect! So listen how this beautiful thing sounds, and with the Aiyima amplifier behind, this is just crazy. I like the bass.